Welcome to Kentrol's instructional for the door alignment pins for the 07 to 18 2-door and 4-door JK and 97 to 06 TJ Wranglers. Step 1. Each alignment pin is etched with either a T for top or B for bottom. For aid in reinstalling your OEM doors, install the corresponding pin by threading it onto its respective hinge pin. Repeat the step for the remaining pin. Step 2. Reinstall your door with the pin's assistance. Once in place, unscrew and remove the alignment pins. Secure the doors, repeat each step for the remaining doors, and you're done. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Kentrol for more instructions and tutorials like this.